Does call the case People versus Amber Corpus.
Yes. Morning, Your Honor. J. Grant Miller, P58658 on behalf of Ms. Cormos. She is still en route from Jackson. She was having some difficulty getting here this morning.
I'm sorry, I missed it.
She is still en route from Jackson. She was having some difficulty getting here, some car troubles. She has been texting me.
What?
Chauffeur.
You have her in Zoom,
Yeah, we're fine.
but we don't, she doesn't have permission to appear busy.
No.
That is my understanding as well, Your Honor.
I don't know why she's on Zoom. Well, when it passes it, somebody better tell her how to get here, or we'll come get her.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Devon Reed.
Mr. Phelps, for the people.
Your Honor. Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Reed. Good morning.
Your name, sir?
Reed.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm just asking for an adjournment to obtain some video in this matter. I speak to the prosecutor.
That's correct. We talked yesterday.
Is he held on anything else?
Yes, he is.
He is.
Yeah, multiple matters.
Multiple matters? All right, then. Any objection to going to the 29th then with him, or is that too far for?
I guess I'd prefer a sooner date if the court would be willing.
Okay, I can give you a sooner date. No, when he'll be called, January 8th.
Thanks, Judge.
We'll just squeeze him in. 9 a.m. bond continue.
He appreciates that, Judge. Thank you.
Well, he won't that day, but that's okay.
I'm not going anywhere. Thanks, Judge.
Court does call the case People versus Tabitha O'Carroll.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Good morning, Your Honor. J. Grant Miller, P58658 on behalf of Ms. O'Carroll. Sorry, she was waiting outside due to the crowding. Please state your name.
Tabitha O'Carroll.
Your Honor, I've spoken with the prosecution and I just need to submit some paperwork for a no contest plea due to a memory issue for my client.
January 29th, 2025, 26, 9 a.m. bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Kevin Smith.
Mr. Phelps, for the people.
How many more in custody do I have?
Assistant Public Defender Davy Liba from Mr. Smith, who stands to my right. Mr. Smith, can you tell the court your name, sir?
Kevin LaVarn Smith.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I believe the court should have a plea form.
Plea form in front of me that indicates the defendant is going to be pleading guilty to an added count two of larceny, 200 to 1,000 to 1 year offense. Upon his successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. The defendant agrees to undergo a mental health assessment, comply with all mental health treatment as ordered by probation. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Yes, Your Honor.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth.
Yeah,
State your name, please.
Kevin Smith.
Sir, it is his court's understanding you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of larceny, 200 to 1,000. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $2,000 fine plus court costs. Fine could be increased if 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Perry in the 15th District Court. You understand that?
When will that be?
Well, I haven't given you the date yet. I'm just apprising you that you would be sentenced before a different judge than me.
All right.
You understand that?
Yeah,
Okay, you okay with that?
I ain't got a choice.
Well,
But you do
yes, you
have a
do.
choice, sir.
You absolutely have a choice. Because if I'm taking your plea, you have a right to be sentenced before the judge that's taking your plea.
Right.
All right? What I'm apprising you of, and the box is checked about the sentence judge waiver, is that you would be sentenced before Judge Perry instead of me.
I'm
Understand
fine
that?
with that.
Pardon?
I'm fine with that.
You're okay with it?
Yeah.
Okay. So understanding all of that, do you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Yeah.
Okay, to the charge larceny, 200 to 1,000, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
No.
Okay. You understand that you will not have a trial?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And a advice of rights form was signed with your permission, is that correct?
Yes. But I also gotta say that even though I'm from a different county.
You're from a different county?
Yeah, I'm from Jackson County.
Okay.
So probation, I don't know how it works.
Well, I would let that court, 15th District Court in Ann Arbor, figure that out.
All right.
All right, they might keep you and you still would be from Jackson County, but, okay?
All right.
Okay. So you signed that advice of rights form. Do you have any question or had it signed on your behalf? Do you have any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
All right, if you look down on the podium, there's a copy of one. You understand that you're waiving the rights under paragraph 5, as
Yeah.
well as all the rights that are on that form.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
All right. Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been said here today to get you to plea?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
All right. On the date of May 14, 2025, at the location of 343 South Fifth Street, City of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, what'd you do at the public library that makes you think that you're guilty of this offense?
Still books.
You stole books?
Yeah.
Okay, so you went into the library and you didn't check them out, you just tried to walk out without
Yeah.
doing anything? All right. And you didn't have anybody's permission to take those books,
No.
did you? All right. And these books that you took, these books belong to the public library?
Yes.
All right. You don't know what the value of the books you took were, do you?
No.
All right. So counsel, I would accept a higher plea to this charge unless you have information regarding the value.
No, Your Honor, I would also note there was a die cutter that was recovered from the one that was also library property. So I think the higher charge would be fine for the people.
I agree.
Okay. All right, sir, I do have to advise you that if between the time I accept your plea and the time the judge sentences you, that you commit any type of misconduct that as defined by the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to any sentence evaluation or recommendation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Counsel, you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this?
Not known to defense, Your Honor.
All right, and have I complied with the court rule?
You have, Your Honor.
All right, court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2 under the theory of the higher charge. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be
30th at 8:30.
January 30th, 2026, 8:30 before Judge Perry.
Thank you, Your Honor. And may I address bond?
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Smith does have significant mental health issues. He's now taking medications for these. He will continue to do so if he's released. He can stay with his mother if released, and his mother has indicated to me that if he does stay with her, she would intend to keep a very close eye on him.
All right. At this point, I'm gonna deny the request. I'm gonna let probation at 15th see him. I'm not gonna have a problem if they wish to release him.
Thank you,
But
Your
I'm
Honor.
gonna deny bond at this time. So bond will
So-
continue. Thank you.
Date that is subject.
Yes, most probation recommends being released early.
All right, thank you, sir. This one. Court recalls case, People versus Timothy Palmer.
Water Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Good morning, Mayor. Please, this honorable court, Kareem Johnson, appeal on behalf of Mr. Palmer.
All right. Your name, sir?
Timothy Palmer.
All right. All right, what are we doing on this case?
Your Honor, there is a video of the incident that is missing. We're asking the court for a second PCC day so we can try and get that video from law enforcement.
All right,
That's correct, Your Honor. It's a ring camera video. I have emailed the OIC requesting that.
all right. He's out. So what I'm gonna do is probable cause, I'll adjourn to January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir. Court calls case, People versus Adam Adkins.
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Assistant Public Defender Davi Lebo, on behalf of Mr. Adkins, who stands to my right. Mr. Adkins, could you tell the court your name, sir?
Adam Atkins.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd be requesting adjournment. I have not been able to reach Mr. Adkins.
January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Case, People versus Mershand Smith.